Hello, welcome to CEPAM. Today we're going to be looking at understanding circle geometry, and today we're going to look at one of the theorem in circle geometry. Theorems are just standard properties of circles, of angles in circle. So we're looking at, this is the level 2 of the circle geometry series. I'm Orishija Matthew to take you through this lesson. What are the objectives of this lesson? You should be able to identify the segment of a circle and apply the property of angles subtended at the same segment are equal. So the angle that are subtended in the same segment of a circle are always equal. So let's go look at it. So let's identify part of the circle. So when you are given a circle AXB, so this circumference, then you have the chord connecting A to B, joining the two circumference, but it's not passing through the center of the circle. So we have that. We have the circumference. Then I want you to connect point B to X, and also connect point A to X. Okay, so you have this. So in this case, an angle is formed at this point, angle AXB. Then if we look at it on the same major segment, draw a line to any other portion, again the blue, then connect A to meet it at this point here. So you form another angle there. So if you measure this angle and measure this angle with your protractor, the angle should be the same. But these angles here are called angles in the same segment. So angle Y and F are referred to as angle in the same segment. They are angles subtended in the major segment. Similarly, if their angles are subtended in the minor segment, they are always the same. Why? Because this angle X, they are taking their origin from this arc. So this arc of the circle is what is subtending this angle in the major segment. So let's explore angle in the same segment, just an activity. So what are the materials you need? You need your compass, protractor, ruler, pencil, eraser, your A4 paper. So once those materials are ready, you can pause the video, get your material ready. Once they are ready, then you continue the play. So what is the instruction you need now? So first thing, draw a circle of radius 6 cm. Okay, now draw a chord to connect any two parts of the circumference in your circle. So any part, just say, but if you want to draw it like my own, you can do that. Okay, so if you have different color, you can also use that. So now I'm using blue and I'm using purple. Okay, so draw this chord. All right, where they meet at this point here, let's call it X. Okay, then measure the angle AXB using your protractor. So what would I give you? Mine is recording 67 degrees. So what did you get in your own? So I've labeled that and mark it with the blue. I've shaded the angle blue. So 67 degrees. Now draw another arc using this green color. So we have angle AZB. So use your protractor to measure it. What do you record? You see, it's also measuring the same thing as 67 degrees. So why I did that, since you cannot read it, but if you extend the line ZB away so that you'll be able to read the exact value on the protractor. So that's why I did this extension. Okay, so if you do that, you measure there, the angle there is also 67 degrees. So angle AXB and is equal to angle AZB. So these two angles are referred to as angle subtended by arc, the arc AB or the chord AB in the same segment of the circle are equal. The angles, the blue angle and the green angle, are formed on the major segment. So this portion here, this is the major segment, while this lower portion here is the minor segment. So right, so find this question. With this question, I want you to find the value of the angle mark Y. Now, what is the rationale for you to be able to solve this question? First of all, you know that the angle subtended by the same arc AB, okay, or if you connect this point here AB to here, that is give you a chord. So they are equal. Now let's look at this. Given angle BAP equals to 65 degree, BAP 65 degree, shaded the blue angle here, and angle ABS equals to 55 degree, that is this green angle here. Find angle BSP and angle SPA. So how do you do this? Now angle PAB if you look at it, this is subtended by this chord called PB. So if you look at it, take this line and it comes here, then take another line and it comes here. So you see their angle subtended by the chord, the arc. So let's look at that. So it's equal to what? 65 degree. Right. So let's look at angle ABS. Angle ABS is equal to angle SPA. Angle ABS, ABX. So you look at this chord here, go and come to the end. Then if you track it again, which other line take its origin? So you can look at this, take here, then come here. So angle APX or SPA is equal to that, so 55 degrees. So you have gotten that. So both of them are angles subtended at the center. Okay, so angles subtended by an arc in the same segment of a circle are equal. Quickly, all right, that brings us to the end of level 2. So just watch out for level 3.